Here we have a 2018 Volkswagen Golf GTI Performance. Now with this vehicle you've got the 18-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there with the red brake calipers just behind. We've got the Indium grey exterior paintwork, and how fantastic does that look with the black features around the vehicle. LED headlights at the front. We've also got a Maxton design splitter all the way around, splitter kit, which looks incredible and adds to that aggressive styling. Going around to this corner, you'll see the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows, as well as the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Extended spoiler up at the top there. There's a closer look at that again, adding to that aggressive styling. Coming to the rear, we do have both front and rear parking sensors, as well as the reversing camera, blacked out Volkswagen badging, dual X exhausts, and of course that Maxton design rear diffuser too, which looks great. Let's have a quick look at the boot space in here. There you are. Closing that up. You'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And let's take a look at the interior next. We've got the full tartan cloth interior, the iconic tartan cloth, which looks absolutely great. Really nice interior inside these. Fold down armrest in the centre, ISO fixed points within the seats. On the doors you'll find your handle, integrated speakers and electric window controls. Into the front next, again, I'm just going to take the key out. We've got that iconic tartan cloth interior again. Both front seats are heated, which can be controlled in the centre. On the doors you'll find your heated electric wing mirror controls, unlock and lock button and your window controls with child lock. Auto light features on the right hand side. Stepping into the vehicle, starting the car is as simple as foot on the brake and turn the key. As you can see, we've got the virtual cockpit digital display just there. Taking a step back, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel. You'll find the adaptive cruise control, as well as speed limiter. You've then got your paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. Wipers on the right hand side, lights on the left. Coming into the centre, you've got your infotainment screen on here. There is a huge array of features to play with. You've got, of course, your satellite navigation. You've got your radio, media, phone connectivity. If we go back onto the media and onto source, you can see all of the different options there. Put a vehicle into reverse and you'll see a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors, as well as your reversing camera. Back into park for now. You've then got different driving modes in here too, consisting of eco, normal, sport and individual. Worth noting, we do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available as well. Working our way down, you'll find your heated seat controls on either side, as well as your dual zone climate controls and auto functions. Storage space behind here with a USB input. Of course, your gear selector, gear stick, park, reverse, neutral, drive. Pull back down again for sport, back into drive, and then you can flick it across to the left for changing the gears like so as well. You've then got your mode select, auto start, traction control, parking sensors button, plenty of things to play with, electronic handbrake with auto hold feature, 2 good size cup holders, 12 volt connectivity, and of course the armrest in the centre, which also doubles up as storage and can be adjusted. Now that is all from me on today's video. If you would like to learn any more about a vehicle, please do check out the website or get in touch with us today. Thank you for watching.